if you're experiencing login issues on Waypoint 2026. Follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from logging in. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network if necessary. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Double check your username and password for any typos. Make sure that the caps lock key is not on and that you are entering the correct information. If you've forgotten your password, use the password recovery option. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Some browser extensions can interfere with website functionality. Temporarily disable any extensions, especially ad blockers, and try logging in again. Step 5. Update your app or browser. Ensure that you are using the latest version of the Waypoint 2026 app or your web browser. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that can resolve login issues. If you follow these steps and still have trouble logging in, consider reaching out to Waypoint 2026 support for further assistance.